Welcome back to Headroom Unboxings. Today we're going to check out the aJays 5 by aJays over in Sweden. This looks like kind of similar to the old QJs in a way to me. Well, let's open them up and see what they have inside here. Kind of cool packaging. These guys have definitely improved over the years here. Oh. This is not working so well. Ooh, cool case. These are definitely quite a bit bigger than the QJs. I thought they looked kind of like the QJs from the box, but got this nice case and spool. Pretty heavy duty feeling cable. Here we have our different size ear tips. Looks like 4 different sizes there. And a cable clip to keep the cable from bouncing around on your shirt. Cool. We're excited to check out the aJays products, and we will let you know what these aJays 5 sound like pretty shortly here.